Hi, today I'm going to show you how to put together one of the frame cards, the A2 frame cards from our frame card set. This will be one of two sets. This is the first one. So I'm just showing you the elements of the card. There's also another insert that I sized to put behind the frames if you want to do like a print and cut or something like that. But you could add a stamp. These are just card bases, so you can use them for whatever you'd like. There's also, you can use this top for the background mat on the front or print another one for the inside. The file also comes with the cards and mats that have sharp edges as well as rounded corners. So you have your options. There's a couple options how you can use everything in the file. So this is really a simple card file. Like I said, it comes with 4 different designs, but I'm just going to show you how I'm using the mats that are included with the SVG file. So that background mat, and then this is how the frames layer on each section. So each one is shaped for its own frame. So these match up, the inside edge matches up with the inside edge of that outside frame. And then this top one, I wanted to make sure you couldn't see the inside, so you kind of have to center it. You can see that you just want to put glue around the outside edges of this one. This way you don't see that inside edge, especially if you do like a print and cut. Then you won't see it. This will hide it. So the options are, you could, put a stamp on. Before you put this on, there's another sheet that you could put underneath that you stamp on, or you could use a sticker embellishment or another 3D embellishment of something before you glue this on. But I'm going to use foam tape to do it. It gives it a little dimension, but it's really up to you at this point. You just have to plan what you're going to do before you put this on. So I just go ahead and center this on the back panel. And again, you could put another center panel and the pieces included in the file underneath that if you want a different color or lighter background, something like that. And that's as simple as it gets. You have 4 different options, and we'll have a new set in the future, in the near future. Thanks for watching.